Hi my friends, welcome to my channel Crocheting Best. This video I will show you beautiful dolly designs and also many colorful. All my friends can benefit from this video. All those my friends who are interested in crocheting work can choose colors and designs by watching my video. This video helped them a lot. This video is helping the beginners and my friends who are doing crocheting business and work can also benefit from it. I'm trying to share good videos for all my friends. This video is very helpful for crocheting work women. I'm trying to very good videos for all my friends. I'm need your support, your help. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel, and please give me your opinion and let me know and like my videos, share and subscribe my channel please. This video is help the crocheting worker. The dolly designs are very beautiful and different shapes. I hope you like this. Please watch my video and comments give me your comments. It's very nice. So friends, watch my video and enjoy the crocheting work. Thank you.